What is it you're trying to do with your life?
Alright, what's up guys? We got the bike out. We're gonna go to a little Cars and Coffee. Not sure how it's gonna be, but it's in Naples, so I'm guessing there's gonna be a bunch of hypercars. But I'm gonna take y'all along with. Dude, look at the exhaust. It's finally starting to change colors. Looks so good. And all the carbon. I still am missing all my tail carbon, like all right here. I have a bunch of carbon coming for that, and then it'll be pretty much complete. But we're gonna have a little tame ride going to the little Cars and Coffee. Maybe it'll be tame, who really knows. If I get bored, it may not be tame, but the roads are a little wet, so probably best we just take it slow. It's like a 30-minute ride, I think. Should we see if I can make it in like 15? Maybe. Depending on how the roads look. It looks like he had a rough night. God damn! God damn! This looks so creepy out. Oh my god. You can't even see the cars up there. What the hell? I've never seen it like this. Oh, I can feel the like moisture on my eyes. This is totally not sketchy at all. Where do my directions go? What? Literally, look at that. It's basically straight all the way there. I got hair in my eye. Ah! It's in my eye. You know what? I got this bike for a reason. It's got fucking this shit. Oh my god, this is so nice. Don't have to do shit. We're just cruising. Dude, look how foggy it is. Oh my god. I feel like I'm in a movie right now. Alright. Alright, bro. My goodness. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, we're just chilling and chilling. Dude, I need to get a boat down here. A boat would be so fun. I mean, the bike's pretty fun, but it's gonna get way too hot to ride the bike, so I think a boat. Should I give this guy a high five?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ooh, over the bridge is gonna look so cool. Look at this. You can't see anything. Oh my god, that's crazy. What the hell? Look at this. This is all in ocean, and you just can't see anything. All in ocean over here. What in the world? I've never seen it like this. There's buildings over there, and you can't even see them. What? It's clear now. See? Just had to get off the island. That is crazy. I should probably wipe you guys off. I don't know if I just wiped you guys off or not, but hopefully I did. I guess we can check right here. We can check right here. Get right up to this person's ass right here. Twist his baby up. Wipe y'all off real quick. Woo! Jeez, now it's like warm out. That is so weird. On the island, colder and like moist. And then here it's like all warm and freaking sunny. Like, make that make sense. It doesn't. Why is my thing not flipped over? Yeah, there we go, BMW. I got a BMW. this Porsche. God, I love Florida. This bitch is slow. Damn. God, this was such a good idea to come out to this. I just know it's gonna be good. And I brought my film camera and VHS camera, so I'll probably splice in a little bit of that footage, probably, if I get good stuff, that is. Damn. This thing's clean as fuck. God dang. Bro, look at that GT3 RS over there. What's up? Oh. God damn. Look at this shit. This spec is sick. Oh my god. That is so cool. I kind of want to go explore. Dude, this guy's bike is crazy. Damn.
What's up, man?
Not much. How about you? Good, are you?
Love the bike, bro.
Appreciate it. I've never been to this. I just moved here like 4 days ago, so
for real?
yeah.
Oh. They do this like every third Sunday. Yeah, third Sunday.
I guess I'm probably gonna go explore. I don't really know.
Look around, bro. Hey, dude, I like always go riding by myself. So if you need somebody to ride with sometimes, hit me up on my Instagram.
For sure.
I know I don't have no time, but you got an Instagram?
Yeah, I got an Instagram.
I usually don't have enough time, but
That's fair.
I like to get out, and I know with the gloves, do they work good?
Yeah, they were good.
Oh, barely. I used to have a quad lock mount on my bike, and then I was like, man, I just want to flip it, and I took it all off.
Yeah, I don't really like the quad locks.
What?
I don't really like the quad locks. I like just...
I was like, I'm going to take everything off, and I'm just going to clean it up.
Yeah.
Alright, bro,
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Damn. I need to take a picture of that shit real quick. Motherfucker. Can't get this shit out.
Oh my. Is that you?
Yeah.
Dude, it's so nice.
Thank you.
I need a bike so bad. Bro, I swear to God, I need a bike so bad. I need a bike so bad.
I'm gonna go explore this shit. See what the fuck going on. 24.
Okay. Nice. Bring the Cali over there.
What's up?
I brought my Cali with me.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Have a good one.
Stay safe, man.
You too. Where the hell am I supposed to go? She pointed me this way. God damn, look at the C6. Z06 too? God! Dang, there's so many cars. What is that? What in the world is that? Oh my god, look at all these cars. Dude, that van is sick. Oh, oh my god. There's so much. So many Porsches. Oh my god. The 06. That's insane. Ooh. Look at the new M2. Dude. Man. That thing's crazy. Dang, look at this spec. Look at both of these. Oh my god. That thing is so clean. Well, guess we'll just walk around the meet with my helmet on. Look like a fucking idiot, but it's alright. Doing it for y'all. All these people are probably gonna be like, why the hell this fucker got his helmet on? But I'm recording. Dude, that thing is crazy. Dude, swamp buggies are crazy. Same with this shit. Shit is sick. Oh my god. Casual 918. You're lying. Dude, this thing is sick. A little 918. A little Turbo S. 918. M3. I love this M3 color. So good. My god. Shorty in the ZR1. That is a flex. I want a C6 ZR1. Oh my god, look at the license plate. ZR1 mom. That's sick. Oh my god, look at this GT3 RS spec. That is so pretty. Look at that thing. Look at little man. Shit is crazy. Such a good spec. The white wheels. That shit's crazy.
What bike you got?
I got an S1000.
S1000?
Yeah.
What year is it?
2024.
2024.
Yeah.
Is it white?
Yeah, it's the white one right over there.
Flip plate and everything?
Yeah.
Dude, that shit is sick, bro.
Appreciate it.
Post on anything like
Yeah, I do Instagram and then YouTube.
What's your Instagram?
Icy Media.
IC Media?
Yeah, like ICEY and then Media.
I'm gonna follow you. I'll watch your videos and everything.
Appreciate it. What was your name?
Christian, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
What's up?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I got an S1000.
Where's that?
It's right over there, like by all the motorcycles. Like literally right across that road.
What color is it?
It's white.
You do Instagram?
Yeah.
They're pretty common now. This is that lady's yard of the Angel.
I was looking for my buddy's most.
The one that has the story.
Yep. Take care. Let's see if I can get a photo before all these people come. Oh. Wait for this dude to go. Oh my god, I think that guy got in it. Motherfucker. I don't even know what this shit is. What is this? I thought it was like an SLS, but it's got wing doors. Marine Tech C. Never heard of that. Never in my life. I think this is like an Evora or something. I think. I'm fucking dying though. It is fucking hot. Hot as fuck in this motherfucker. Dude, there's so many cars here that I have no clue what I'm looking at. Like this, no idea, but it's a V12, so must be cool. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Dude, so many people in Florida track their cars. I love it. Dude, this old little rig is sick. I already know that guy knows everything about this car. We should get a pic for him. So sick. Excuse me. Dude, this is like my dream car as like a dad. A fucking caddy wagon. That is the biggest flex ever, and I bet it's manual too, with the kid in the back. Oh my god, it's manual. That is so sick. Oh my god. That is insane. Dude, let me get a pic, bruh. Fuck. I just want a pic of it. That thing is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's an E92. Honestly, but it's an M5. Dude, I'm low-key sweating my freaking kahoonies off right now. But it's probably worth it. Probably. Dude, this spec is sick. This is like probably one of my favorite Porsche colors, because it's got like the whitish silver flake. Ooh, with the peanut butter guts with the gold 911. That is so cool. I love these like silverish brushed color wheels. On like a lighter color, it looks so good. Looks so good. Get a quick film picture of this because shit's hot. Oh. If we can get one without all these people in it. Fuck, that dude got in it for sure. For sure. Dang, a white ass dog. White ass dog. I don't know if this is still recording or not. I've been recording a while. Oh, it is. Sweet. Oh, here's this guy. I was at the gym and this guy in the GTI was there. It's wide bodied on bags with some rotiforms. Pretty basic for a GTI, but it's clean. I don't know about the roof though. The dude's also like 40 years old and he drives this. Me personally, I don't know if I could drive that if I was that old. I feel like that's more of like a teenage car. But it's cool. There's so many people here. Holy shit. This is really just all old shit. I don't think it's anything I'd like. So we're gonna turn around. Maybe go ride the motorcycle to a different section, because I think we've seen everything that is in this area. So many motorcyclers. Yo, it's literally Ave right over there. What are we, Ave? I gotta see this. Oh my god, it's literally an R1 with Ave. What are you doing here in Florida? Oh, with a little S1000. Pretty nasty. I think it's time to go somewhere else. What did that guy say to me? Huh? Do you guys have like a little group or what's going on?
Yeah, we got a couple people pulling bikes over here right now.
I just moved here, so I don't really know what the fuck's going on.
Well, my Instagram is wrong.
Huh?
What? I like your view stuff.
Thank you. Any of y'all got like an Instagram or something?
I used to.
I can't hear shit.
It's wangLE.man. But I mean,
You want to just type it in or something?
Are you from
you said you
Are you
just
from
moved
Naples?
here?
I just moved to Fort Myers, like on the beach.
Oh, on the beach?
Alright. There you
We're
go.
over in Cape and Fort Myers, but not on the beach.
Yeah.
God.
Congratulations, you just joined.
It's like the last fucking bike group that you want to join.
Oh shit, what the? Who are you, dog? Dang.
Amy, what are you doing here in Florida? All black. I'm gonna go explore though, so I'll probably be back. My god, bruh. I hate old people, bruh. They're so stupid. Like, what is my bike gonna do? Thank you.
Hey, I love the bike, bro.
Appreciate it. Where do you want it? I'll put it where do you want it? You can take some photos.
Right here, like right there in the middle. I'll take a picture of you.
Oh. Let this kid get some pictures. Thank you.
Can I get one with you on top of it?
Yeah. Oh. There you go.
Put your Instagram in, I'll send you the photos.
I don't know if you... Oh. Let's
Just
see.
put the full name and then I'll screenshot it. Oh, there you go. Hey, it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Huh? A rev? Ooh, look at the Turbo S right there. Ah! Let me see this thing. Whoa! Look at that thing. Damn, Gramps is fucking a beast. Look at him.